Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to start a new chapter that is part of a computer. So as you know, in human bodies there are different parts like ear, nose, legs, hands, etc. Or each part of the body has different work. Like using the hand we can hold anything. Using the ear we can hear the voice. By our eyes we can watch the movies and see the views. Okay, so just like that in the computer there are many different parts. So computer is made up of different parts, and all these parts together make a computer work. A computer is a machine that has four main parts. There are four main parts. First one is monitor, second one is keyboard, third one is CPU, and fourth one is mouse. So first of all we'll talk about the monitor. This one, as you can see, this is the monitor. It looks like a TV screen. As you have seen TV at home, so just like a TV screen, there is a monitor. It shows all the text that you typed in that you type in and the work that is done by you. It is also display the result of our calculation. Okay, next one is keyboard. So this is our keyboard. As you can see this, there are so many buttons on it, that is called the keys. So a keyboard has many buttons which are called the keys. It is used for typing letters, words, numbers and special symbols. So a standard keyboard or commonly used keyboard has 104 keys. Okay, now we'll talk about the CPU. Can you tell me the full form of CPU? Okay, I'll tell you. The full form of CPU is Central Processing Unit. This is the CPU. As you can see, this is the CPU. So CPU is called the brain of a computer. It is called the brain of a computer because it does all the jobs of computer. It helps a computer to think and do his work. Okay, so it is called the brain of computer. Next, it is also help a computer to remember things. If computer can remember things, it is because of CPU. And all the other parts of the computer are attached to the CPU by the wires. Next one, we will talk about the mouse. This is the mouse. A mouse has two buttons on it. These are the two buttons. Okay, it is used to point, move and select any item on the computer screen or monitor. So it is also help us to draw pictures, play games, or pointing the things or selecting the things. Okay, now we'll talk about the types of computer. There are different types of computer. Types of mouse. A mouse can be of different type. Okay, like 2-button mouse, scroll mouse, lighting mouse and more. So first is scroll mouse. A scroll mouse has a scroll wheel in the middle of the left and right button. We can move a page and up down by moving the scroll wheel. Okay, so this is the scroll mouse. So this is the scroll button, by scrolling which you can move the page up and down. Okay, the scroll mouse is also of two types. First one is a ball mouse, has a ball under it. The ball helps to move the mouse pointer on the screen. So this type of ball under the mouse. Okay, and it helps the mouse to move the pointer on the screen. Next one is optical mouse. It uses the light instead of a ball for movement of the mouse pointer. This is the optical mouse. There's no scroll, there is no ball under it. There will be a light. Okay, which is used to which help the mouse to movement of the pointer. Okay, next we'll talk about the more parts of computer. So apart from the four main parts, there are some more parts of the computer which can be attached to it for the different function, like printer. A printer is used to print the text or picture on a paper. It can print in black and white or color a picture also. The printed copy of the paper is called the hard copy. The copy that we see on the monitor is called the soft copy, and the printed copy on the paper is called the hard copy. Some commonly used printer are dot matrix printer, inkjet printer, and laser printer. Okay, so these are the types of printers. Next, we'll talk about the microphones. A microphone is used to record our voice and different sound into a computer. If you want to record your sound or into a computer, so microphone will help you. Okay, it also help us to talk to our friend through the internet. If we are talking with our friends, so it will also help us to talk with our friends. So as you can see, this is the microphone. This is the microphone. Okay. Next, we'll talk about the speaker. Speaker allow us to listen to music and hear the sound effect stored in a computer. Like if you want to listen to music, so what you need a speaker. You need a speaker to listen that sound. Okay. Next one is headphones. Headphones are used to listen music as well as record the sound without disturbing others. Okay. Next, we'll talk about the compact disc or CD. So CD stand for compact disc. This is the CD. Okay, a CD is round in shape. It is used to store lots of information. Okay, it is a shiny disc. As you can see, this is a shiny disc that run on the CD drive. The CD drive is fixed in the CPU. If you want to play a CD, so you have to press the button on the CPU, then a slot will come out and you will fix the CD on that, and then you can play the CD. Okay, next one is hard disk. Hard disk is just like a box which is fixed inside the CPU. It is like that. Okay, this is the hard disk. It is fixed inside the CPU. It is used to store computer data. Next one, we'll talk about the pen drive. It is a small rectangular device that is used for transferring data from one computer to another. Like if a movie is on your computer and you want to transfer it to other computer, so how you will do it? You can do it with the help of the pen drive. Okay, it is also called a flash drive, thumb drive, or jump drive. Okay, now there are some computer care tips. Always press the keys of keyboard gently. Hitting them hard can damage the inner connection. If you are using the keyboard, so you have to press the keys gently. You don't need to hit that keys. Okay, if you will do this, then the inner connection can be damaged. Okay, next one is place your computer in cool, clean and dry place. That place should not be wet, should not be very hot. Okay, so this is all about the chapter. I hope this chapter is clear to you all.